Dear students, we can see application of cardinality of sets. What are the application of cardinality of sets? So if you using two sets means what are the properties we can see? So we can see one note here. So you are using two set means so first form n of A union B, cardinality number of n of A union B. How to find n of A union B? So n of A plus n of B. After that, two sets you have to consider. So two set considered, and so one set first positive will going, next negative will come, minus n of, here union means there are intersection will come, n of A intersection B. This is only n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So for example, n of A intersection B, how we can find? N of A intersection B, how we can find? So how we can find means, we have to interchange the LHS A number, n of A union B, n of A intersection B, interchanging. This minus n of A intersection B, LHSI key means what will come? Positive. No, n of A intersection B. This is only finding. This is only for finding. Now A intersection B, how to find? So already RHSI n of A there, n of A plus n of B. This we can take RHSI. So then what will come? Minus n of A intersection A union B will come. Minus n of A union B. So n of A union B finding form n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So then n of A intersection finding form n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. Now, so then third form, n of A difference B, how we can find? N of A difference B, how we can find? So n of A, here first set what there? A set, no, A, n of A difference n of A intersection B, the common part, n of A intersection B. Then next one, n of B difference A, how we can find? Reversely. So n of first set what we consider? B set now. So n of B difference n of A intersection B, same will come, intersection part common, n of A intersection B. So next one, n of universal set, how will you find? N of universal sets, how we can find? Or else you can say n of A dash. First you can find n of A dash, how we can find? N of A dash means, A dash means complement now. So complement means there are universal sets. So we can find n of U, n of universal sets difference, what is the set? N of A. What is the set? N of A. So according to that, how will find n of U? N of universal set, how we can find? N of U, how we will find means, keep R at the side, n of U. This we can take L at the side means what type will come? Negatively, that means positive will come. So we can write n of universal set is equal to n of A dash minus n of A. Let's say take means plus n of A will come, plus n of A. So n of universal, I will find n of A dash plus n of A. So according to that, n of A, how we can find? N of A, how we can find? We can check here. So we can find interchange LHS and RHS. LHS n of A dash RHS I take, and minus n of A LHS I have to take. So then what will come? Minus n of A LHS I take means n of A is equal to already RHS I n of U there, n of U universal sets. So minus n of A dash plus n of dash you have taken as minus n of A dash will come. So in this way we can find the application of cardinality of sets.